All right, everybody, hang out just another few minutes. We're going to wait and let everybody get notified, and then we will begin our severe weather discussion. Lots of information. You're definitely not going to want to miss it, so just hang out a few more minutes. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and start the live stream. Looks like everybody has joined us in here, so let's go ahead and begin. So we'll start off taking a look at our ambient weather station out back. So let's go ahead and get that pulled up. Hope everybody's had a good day. It's been pretty nice and warm out there today. Supposed to be around 70 tomorrow, so a lot warmer. Looking like 51 degrees here in Crossville. Let me zoom out. 46 over in Geraldine. Looks like 53. Hopewell, Whiten area. Going over to Marshall County, Albertville at 50 degrees. We'll go on up here to Section. Looks like their nearest station's showing 45 degrees. Wind speed out there looks like it's pretty calm. Not a lot of wind at all at this point, so just kind of calm out there. Nothing going on at the moment. We'll look at our sky cam overlooking, and nice night. See some stars, see some airplanes in the back there. Other than that, nothing much going on. Looks nice out. We'll go ahead and begin with a forecast outlook, and that includes looking good Monday, so get out and enjoy it. Big clouds of sunshine, high 70, low 57, no chance of rain. Monday night into Tuesday is when we start to watch for the threat of some strong to severe storms. So Tuesday, high 69, low 53, 90% chance of showers or storms. That being said, we will watch for a few of them being severe. Wednesday, cold front really moves on through on Wednesday. High 60, low 32. Now look on Thursday. High 48, sunny skies, low 28. No, you're not seeing wrong. I mean, even I had to look at that twice. We go from 70 to only a high 48 on Thursday and a low of 28. No chance of rain. High pressure sets in quickly behind that system. Friday looks like it's sunny, a little bit warmer, high 50, low 32, and no chance of rainfall. So let's talk about severe weather, what we've got. So watching multiple scenarios here, what we are watching. Storms will have enough energy to become severe when they move across the Tennessee Valley. That's one thing the Weather Service Office is watching, and we're watching. More likely scenario, if this activity develops early Tuesday morning, then there may not be much instability to work with for severe weather during the late morning and afternoon hours. If this scenario occurs, then heavy rainfall, 1 to 2 inches of rain with locally higher amounts, and thunderstorms remaining sub-severe will be the most likely outcome. Lightning and gusty winds up to 30 and 40 miles per hour may still accompany these storms. That's if it develops early Tuesday morning. Less likely scenario, which is still a possibility, if the timing of the cold front is later in the day, late Tuesday morning into the afternoon, confidence in the potential for severe weather will increase. All modes of severe weather look to be on the table if this scenario occurs, including a couple tornadoes. So keep that in the back of your mind there. So let's take a look at the storm system Monday and Tuesday's high-res models. Looking like they're wanting to bring it in. Northeast Alabama was at, 3 a.m. in the morning, which early timeline. But notice the storms that develop behind this little system, too. Let's get that on out. Lots of heavy rain with this thing. Looks like we get some pop-ups developing, and we'll have to keep an eye on those. So I wanted to show around 10 a.m. So it's thinking an early arrival, which, as we just discussed, looks like the most likely scenario, which would only be a few strong storms. But a little bit of a shift in timing on this a little later on in the day on Tuesday, and we have a big mess, like a really big mess with storms in here. So something we'll keep an eye on. Heavy rain on into Tuesday. Looks like rainfall amounts between now and the 30th looks to be around 2 inches over in northwest Alabama, around 2 inches around Huntsville, close to 2 inches here in northeast Alabama, and some areas too, maybe a little bit over that. Outlook, though, overall, Storm Prediction Center has all of Alabama under a marginal risk of severe storms for Tuesday, and primary threats will be damaging winds the whole state of Alabama. So just a nasty little storm system along this cold front coming in. But again, things can change. So we'll check back. We'll update once we get some better information. But right now, let's take a look at our CAPE values. So our CAPE we do have some energy there on Tuesday, but most of the models are wanting to keep it further south, but as you notice, it does tend to move a little further northeast. So we will watch northeast Alabama as this system does progress, because there may be some energy make its way up into our area. Supercell composite, the best chance for supercell development is wanting to keep it further south of us, but still can't rule out a few supercells if the timing is later on. We have some time to warm up on Tuesday, then we will have a mess on our hands if that's the case. Hopefully not the case. So looking at the best threat for tornadoes, also models want to keep it south of us, but a little bit of energy makes its way up here. So low threat of a tornado, not zero, definitely. We'll keep an eye on that. So what have we got ahead? So strong cold front, of course, pretty strong coming in. We'll look at this Thursday. Some really cool air makes its way in here. Really cold air, actually. Highs only in the 40s, lows in the 20s possibly. Then we warm up a little bit, and then we have another system try to make its way in here around the 3rd, 4th time frame. It's going to be kind of a warm-up, cool-off. Another system makes its way in here around the 5th. So be several different systems that we're going to be watching. And this is why the rainfall outlook will continue to go up. So it's thinking 5 inches in here by the 4th of December. That's with all those cold fronts coming in. But a lot of information still missing. But lots of rain on the way, multiple systems. And my concern with these systems is the threat for severe weather. We are in our second severe weather season. When you get this kind of a warm-up and cool-off scenario so much, you usually have the conditions make it, just right eventually, and you have some severe weather. So let's look at timing on this storm system. Looking at Tuesday severe timing, they're thinking 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. in the morning for northwest Alabama, 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. That'll be over Huntsville, Coleman areas, and northeast Alabama, 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. Now keep in mind, if we do end up going into the p.m. hours with this on Tuesday, the threat will go up. Something we will definitely need to keep a close eye on. So the threat will go up if this system, speeds up a bit and it comes in, or actually slows down a bit, makes it in here later on in the evening hours. We will actually have some problems to deal with. So preparedness information from Huntsville would be high chances of thunderstorms with a low chance of some becoming strong to severe on Tuesday. Tuesday morning into the early mid-afternoon hours, all of North Alabama, southern Middle Tennessee, gusty to damaging winds, low confidence, a tornado or two. Low confidence, not zero. So stay weather aware, check back for updates. And remember, if you can hear thunder or see lightning, head inside and have more than one way to receive warnings as well. That's from the Weather Service Huntsville. And looking at our outlooks, let's look ahead. We do warm up, so we do have some warmer air coming in here between the 29th and 3rd. Looks like above average temperatures. Precipitation outlook, well above average chances for rain. So we need the rain. We're going to get it. That's valid the 29th through the 3rd of December. 8 through 14 days shows that next cool front off to the west there between the 1st and 7th. I've got a feeling this outlook will change big time. So still showing above average above average temperatures for the area. And rainfall, still above average chances of rain between the 1st and 7th. So multiple systems on the way. So keep that in mind. We'll update as soon as we get some more information in. So let's get ready to wrap it up with our sponsor, Mr. Dylan Snyder, Alabama Living Real Estate. For all your real estate needs, you can give him a call at 256-979-4330 and check him out on Facebook. And also another loyal sponsor along with Mr. Dylan, very loyal sponsor. Looking for your dream car? Look no further. You can give them a call, RKG Automotive Group, at 256-323-7323. And our last one, another loyal sponsor, will be Southern Hospitality Kitchens. If you need kitchen work or bathroom work, countertops, more, look no further. That's actually the work they did there. You can see beautiful photos there. Give them a call, 256-418-5708, for more information on that. You can also check them out online. Look up Southern Hospitality Kitchens, and they're in Grove Oak. Go check them out if you're interested. Give them a call. All right, let's get ready to wrap it up here. A lot of information to share. So got that over with, it done, got it out. Let's look at the comments, and we'll get ready to get on out of here. So let's look. Kathy Smith, hello. Hope you're well. Good evening. Jamie Rushing from Sullivan, Alabama. Hello, hope you're well. Good to see you on. Brandy Yatsy, hello. Lorianne Moran, thank you. No problem. Glad to see you on. 19 Angels, no problem. Thanks for watching on YouTube. Claire Hammonds, thank you. Good to see you. Kevin Reese, hello. And our next door neighbor, Camille, hello. Hope you're doing good. Good to see you on. Hope everything's going well. Kathy Ritchie Thrash, hello. No problem. Thank you. Rachel Petrie, hi from Fort Payne. Well, thank you, everybody. I appreciate y'all. This is the biggest audience I've had in a while, so we appreciate you. We're going to get on out of here. That way somebody else can watch the stream if they missed it. So have a blessed night, everybody, and we'll see you on the next update, which will probably be tomorrow with these models like they are. So see you then, everybody. Take care. Have a good night. And hello, Chris Peppers just popped in at the last second there. Good to see you. Rachel, no problem. Y'all take care.